This video is about 5 accessories that's focused on rider safety, which will make your riding experience significantly better and a lot more meaningful. This is about the Triumph Scrambler 900. The Scrambler 900 is basically a fun motorcycle. If I were to describe the motorcycle in one word, it would be fun. It's packed with a lot of torque combined with stunning design. This motorcycle is a league of its own. I'm not even exaggerating. Just look at the motorcycle. Although it weighs almost 500 pounds, you won't even feel it. This motorcycle is so nimble. The handling is superb, which makes it a great motorcycle for beginners. If you're an advanced rider, do me a favor and test ride one of these. You'll fall in love the moment you ride it. All the products in this video, I'll put it in the description below so you can check it out. The accessories here are focused on rider safety to improve control over your motorcycle. The first accessory is the windscreen. Now, the windscreen I have in this motorcycle is made by Dart windscreen. Now, they make 3 different variations of it. You got the Piranha, Standard, and Mariner. Man, I keep on forgetting that one. What is that called? Marlin. It's the Marlin. All right, basically the Piranha is really low footprint, and then the Standard's a little higher. It gives you a lot more, or a little more wind protection, and then the Marlin is the tall one. As far as the looks, it's rider preference. Any of these 3 will work on your motorcycle, and any of these 3 will significantly improve your riding experience. Now, the Street Scrambler is a naked motorcycle. It's fun in town, less than 30 miles an hour. As soon as you hit 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, you're no longer focusing on riding the motorcycle. You're actually focusing more on holding on to the motorcycle and making sure you don't fly off your bike. And that, as you know, is dangerous, to say the least, and it's scary. And for beginners, when you feel that fear the first few times you hit to the freeway, it will discourage you riding a motorcycle, and some of them quit. You know, they sell their motorcycle, and I don't want you to feel that way, because there's always a solution, and this is one of them. You'll see a lot of products like this in Amazon and eBay. I can't speak of those products because I never had those. It's just the quality of the fly screens that Dart makes is by far superior. You'll never go wrong. It's bike specific. The good thing about Dart fly screens, before it was only available through their website, and they're based in England, so shipping could take 2 to 3 weeks. Now they're available in Amazon. The link is in the description below. In some cases, you're probably going to get it the next day or 2 or 3 days. You don't have to wait weeks. So check it out. Number 2, heated grips. I know some people might not need this, but they kind of do. I used to live in San Diego. I was there for roughly about 5 years. And I tell you, on the winter time, might be sunny, but in the early morning rides, temperature can drop to high 30s. And as soon as you hit the road, it will be almost below freezing. And no matter how much you bundle, your hands will freeze no matter what. Just accept it. It sucks. The problem is when that happens, your reaction time drastically gets affected. It's harder to brake because your fingers hurt. So do yourself a favor and invest in heated grips. There's so many heated grips out there in the market, but I truly recommend. In fact, I urge you to get the Triumph OEM heated grips that's specific to your motorcycle, because I know it's a little bit more pricey, but you know it works. The installation takes about an hour. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there that walks you through step by step and how to install the heated grips. Now, the reason why I say get the Triumph one, because when you look at the grips, it looks like it's supposed to be in the motorcycle. It doesn't seem out of place. There's 2 settings on this, low and high. For the most part, I only use low because it gets already toasty. It seamlessly connects to the cockpit and to the actual dash of your motorcycle. It tells you when it's on or it's low or high. Compared to the other brands, as soon as you turn off the motorcycle, the heated grips actually shut. So other brands, they normally attach or connect directly to the battery of the motorcycle. If you forget to turn those heated grips off, then you're out of luck. You're probably going to get stranded. Just consider it as an investment. You buy it once, you know it's going to work. You're going to install it properly. You can't go wrong, and just move on. Number 3 are the rubber knee pads. These are not for looks. It has a certain function, and you'll be surprised on how effective they allow you to control the bike even more, in addition to controlling with your handlebars. When you put these knee pads on, you literally can lean the bike left and right just with the knees and your core. While you're at it, might as well add the tank protector so you won't scratch that motorcycle paint. Number 4 is the phone mount. Phone mounts on motorcycles is basically one of the essentials. On my motorcycle, I opt with tech mount. The reason why I did that is, besides the fact that it has awesome build quality, it's easy to install, it's just not in your face when your phone is not mounted. Tech mount is just so subtle. It's just a little tiny circle there, and you know, that's it. But either way, you gotta have a phone mount. God forbid you're pulling out your phone from your pocket and looking in your direction while you're on the road. Please don't do that. Number 5 is a toe shifter. Now, I know this video is about safety, but this is about safety, but safety for your boots. I know those boots are expensive. Some of you might not even be riding motorcycle boots that have pads on the toe shifter, and even it does, it scratches up. Your motorcycle, when you get it, you'll have rubber covering around it, and no matter how much you clean it, it's gonna stain your expensive motorcycle boots. I'm in the military, so I wear my boots to work. It just stains it black, and it's such a pain to clean. The first thing I normally do when I get a motorcycle is change those toe pegs. I replace them with just aluminum one, which does not have any rubber, so I don't have to worry about cleaning it. Make it easy on yourself. Just change the pegs, and you ain't gonna worry about your boots. Your boots will be safe, and it's gonna keep its look. So there you go. All right, so those are the 5 critical accessories for the Triumph Scrambler 900. If you're a new rider, this video is really for you. If you're an advanced rider, you probably know a lot of this, and maybe not, and you know, you just like watching motorcycle video. I get it. Besides investing in your protective gear, invest in your motorcycle, especially when those accessories enhance your riding experience. When the experience is enhanced and you actually are having fun riding your motorcycle, now you can focus more on learning, practicing, rather than worrying about external factors like wind and cold temperature. Well, that's all I got for this video. My name is Bombo. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.